Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to read the Income Tax Act. First, familiarize yourself with its overall structure, noting how it's divided into parts, sections, and subsections. Next, always identify key definitions early on. These clarify specific legal terms used throughout the document. Finally, make sure to locate any reference schedules or forms, as these often contain crucial details for applying the Act's provisions. This foundational understanding is essential for effective navigation. Once you grasp the basic structure, focus on the specific sections directly relevant to your income, deductions, or credits. Marginal notes and headings are incredibly helpful for quickly grasping the context of a section without reading every word. Remember to cross-reference related provisions. Tax law is interconnected, and understanding how different sections interact is crucial for accurate interpretation. This approach helps you pinpoint the information you need efficiently. Interpreting the legal language requires careful attention. Distinguish between shall, which indicates a mandatory requirement, and may, which suggests discretion. Always look for provisos and exceptions, as these can significantly alter the application of a general rule. For particularly complex sections, it's wise to consult official guidance, such as government commentaries or tax court decisions, to ensure you're interpreting the law correctly. Precision here prevents costly errors. Finally, apply the Act's principles directly to your unique financial situation. This practical step helps solidify your understanding and ensures compliance. Don't hesitate to utilize reputable online resources or seek professional advice from a qualified tax expert for any lingering questions or complex scenarios. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life with smart technology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.